What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we will discuss top 5 reasons why you should not install iOS 14 on your device. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into today's video, shall we? Reason number 1, battery life. So battery life on as you all know, I have made some videos on iOS 14. You can check that on iCard, and on all of those videos I said that battery life is good, but it is not as good as the iOS 13, and that is the case with many users who informed me the same thing on Twitter. So on Twitter at the tech hype, you can follow me. Many people reported me that they were getting really less efficiency of their battery life on their iPhone regardless of any model. Like even on iPhone 11, many people on iPhone 11 were reporting me that I'm getting less battery life on my phone than I was getting on the iOS 13.7. So yeah, there is a downgrade in terms of the battery life. Reason number 2, performance. So this issue is related to a particular device, is iPhone 7. So iPhone 7 particularly and the iPhone 6s, these two devices, as we all know, are one of the most oldest device supported by iOS 14, and iOS 14 is running not good on these devices. Like alright, they are good, but it is not as good as it is supposed to be. The official version is supposed to be really great, but it is not the case here. Many iPhone 6s and iPhone 7 users reported me this thing on Twitter, and considering that I am also a secondary owner of iPhone 7, I also use this device as secondary device, and as I make videos of betas on this device, test every beta on this device, and the performance is not good. Like, it is seriously not good. The widgets are lagging, the animations sometimes lag, and the device resprings. The device is not able to play games, and it is not able to run some GPU intensive task. I don't know why it is happening on my device, and including many 6s users and iPhone 7 users. Reason number 3, availability of apps. Yes, this is also a disadvantage, that you should not install iOS 14 on your device. So many of the developers are still working on iOS 14, and many people are informing me too that their apps are crashing, and I always say that it is just happening because the developers is still in the process of developing the apps for the latest firmware, and it takes around a month or two. So I would recommend downloading iOS 14 not now. If you are the guy who have a lot of business works and have a lot of meetings every day, so I would say that stick to iOS 13 for some time and download the iOS 14 after like 2 weeks or 3 weeks from now. But yeah, you get the point that right now iOS 14, for especially for people who are not into a lot of features and all that widgets thing, you please wait for some time, as still a lot of developers are developing their apps to optimizing their apps for the latest firmware, as it is just rolled out. It's been almost a week, or not even a week. Yeah, so please wait for some time. If you do end up liking this video, if this video was helpful for you all, be sure to consider dropping a like and subscribe to this channel for latest tech info, because I drop like almost every day, and some days like today I have dropped third video of the day. So be sure to subscribe for latest videos and daily videos. So peace out, I'll see you all in the very next episode.